Hopefully you can see me. It is so dark because it is so early. It is 5:30 in the morning. I've been up since 4:30 because I couldn't sleep. I'm heading to the airport because I am craving this very special treat at Disneyland that you can't get all the time, and it's available right now. I haven't had it for years, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go. Just for the day, I'm gonna get the treat. I'm gonna enjoy myself at Disneyland, and it's gonna be amazing. But then I was so excited all night that I didn't sleep well at all, and I've been up since 4:30. But it's 5:30 now. I'm on my way to the airport to go enjoy Disneyland for the day, and more importantly, have this treat. I can't wait to show you. You may already know what it is. I'm not gonna tell you. You think I'm gonna tell you? No way. I'm Melissa with Mixin' Some Magic. Come with me to Disneyland today. Let's head to the airport. We gotta get there, make our flight. I've just got a little backpack packed. I'm ready to go. Let's go. I made it to the airport. I made it to SNA. I'm gonna be quiet because I'm in the airport. But I'm gonna go get a rideshare and head to Disneyland. I did it. I made it into Disneyland. What time is it? It's like 9:40. So I've been up for 5 hours. Is that true? Yep, 5 hours. But I'm here at Disneyland. I got my ears on. I changed into my sweatshirt. And I am ready for that treat. I'm starving. I'm happy to be here. Wanted to flip you around so you can get some Disneyland vibes. You can see what I'm seeing. Oh, there's something so magical about walking into Disneyland. There's Goofy over there. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good short day because if I want to make my flight, which I do, I very much do, then I need to leave here at 3:30. So very short day at Disneyland, but that's okay because I'm here to get my treat. Let's go grab it. There is a special feeling, whatever you want, walking down Main Street when you're heading to get your favorite treat. There's something about it. All right, look at these. Got the Mickey Rice Krispie treats, the apples, Mickey Mouse peanut butter sandwich. Ooh, pistachio chocolate s'mores. I've never seen that. We have churro toffee. They all look amazing, but I am here for none of them. Did you think it was gonna be churro toffee? You would be very wrong. Although I love it, but you would be very wrong. It's also not here at Jolly Holiday Bakery either, although I do love the raspberry rose macarons at Jolly Holiday, but I'm not here for that today. Whew, I'm not here for that. Although, I mean, I might end up getting it, but I'm not here for it. Right here is Maurice's Treats, right across from the Fantasyland Theater, which is right over here. But I'm also not here for anything at Maurice's Treats, although I hear they have this croissant cookie that's supposed to be amazing and I might try it, but that's not why I'm here. I am also a sucker for Disneyland popcorn, and I will likely get some of that today too, but that's not why I'm here. Oh man, I just spotted another thing that I love. Here at these carts, the frozen carts, I mean, these don't do it justice. These plastic representations, but this Mickey Mouse ice cream bar is so good. But that's not why I'm here. I am here at Harbor Galley, right across from Haunted Mansion, home of the very best, most delicious cookies. I have chocolate chip right now. They're warm. They are so good. But that's not why I'm here. Although now that I'm here, I'm like, do I need chocolate chip cookies? I might. But that's not why I flew all the way from my house bright and early this morning. Not for Harbor Galley. I actually just made a video talking about the 3 most underrated treats, in my opinion, here at Disneyland, because everyone's always talking about the raspberry rose macaron and the churro toffee and the nuddles and things like that, and those are all great, but there are 3 treats that you can get anytime that I feel like do not get the love that they deserve here at the park. So I'm going to put a link up there somewhere. Click on that. You can see what I was talking about. I'm here in Bayou Country. Look how cute. I just can't ever get over how adorable this little section is right here by Winnie the Pooh. I love it. Look what's back there. It's Pooh Corner. Let's go in. Pooh Corner. Also adorable. Dripping honey everywhere. Look what they're making. Rice Krispie treats. Here's the case. It smells amazing in here. Look, there's only one Tigger tail left. Only one. But it's gone. The Tigger tail's gone, but that's okay because that's not why I'm here. I'm not here for the Tigger tail, even though I do love them. And if you've never had a Tigger tail, you got to get yourself a Tigger tail because they are so good. They're not just like a chocolate marshmallow one. They've got a little bit of an orange flavor. It's light and it's subtle. And I know it sounds weird because they've also got caramel with it. Like caramel and orange. Doesn't seem like it would go, but it goes. They're gone now. That's okay though, because that's not why I'm here. Thank goodness. Can you imagine if I flew all the way here for a Tigger tail and then got there in line and they're like, sorry, they're gone? Come on. That would be awful, but that's not happening today. Thank goodness. Enough messing around. Let's just go get this treat that I've been dying to have instead of running all over the park showing you all the other treats that I want but I'm not gonna have. Actually, there is a really good reason I've been stalling, and that's because the place we're going doesn't open till 10:30. We got here at 9:30, but guess what? It's 10:30 now, and that means it's time. Bright and early, perfect time for my favorite treat. We're here at the Golden Horseshoe. There we go. Let's go inside. Oh, I'm so excited to be here. There's no one here because people don't eat treats at 10:30 in the morning, but we do. This is why I'm here. This is why I got up at 4:30. This is why I flew however many miles for this guy. Beautiful, right? Let's give this a try and see if it's as good as I remember. Yes, yes, yes. It's that cookie butter sauce. It's so good. It's actually so good that I made a copycat recipe because you can't get this all the time and I was missing it. So I'm gonna put a link down in the description if you want the copycat recipe. I think it's definitely big enough to share. It's so good. Was it worth getting up at 4:30 in the morning and flying all the way to Disneyland just for this? I think so. I think so. I'm feeling really good about all of my choices right now. Me and my good choices. Look at all this cookie butter on this side. I am such a sucker for cookie butter. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna eat every last bite. That was delicious and totally worth the early morning flight. 100% worth the early morning flight. So good. I'm glad I did it. Feeling good. Truth be told, I do have other videos I'm making here while I am at Disneyland today. So if you are not following along and subscribed, make sure you do, because I have some really great videos coming up that you're not going to want to miss. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning bright and early, and thanks for joining me for my favorite treat. I hope they keep it around for a really long time this time. See ya.